So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to convert text into a table here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, simply just go ahead and type in some numbers here. So if you wanted to make a table that says, 1, I'll do another table that says, 3, 4, below that, I'll just do 22, 5, 10, whatever the case may be, a whole bunch of different numbers here. This can be words as well. But for simplicity's sake, what we're going to do here actually is then go to the top left, press on insert, then go to where it says table right below it, and press on the drop arrow. What I'm going to do first is highlight the text right here, press on the exact same thing, and then press right below. So it says insert table, draw table, and then convert text to table. Go ahead and press on that. And now what you can actually do here is just press on OK, or you can add the number of columns, the number of rows, whatever the case may be, just like that. Then press on OK. And there you go. I've now added it, you've now turned this text into a table, and it's pretty straightforward, super simple. So what you can also do as well, you can change, if you were to go to maybe a bunch of different numbers here. So we'll go to 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. And then same thing right below, just like that. You can highlight the text here. Once again, go to insert at the top left, press on table, and go to convert text to table. You can increase the columns as well, press on OK, and there you go, just like that. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to insert text or numbers into a table here in, or sorry, how to convert text or numbers into a table here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and hope this video helps.